Hello everyone, welcome to Ayo's Craft. My name is Ayo and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Ankara framed glass board. This board can be used for anything. You can use it as a vision board, you can use it to have a to-do list, and you can just simply use it as a decoration. So let's get started on this project. Oh, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And to my old subscribers, thank you guys for staying with me. So let's get started. All you will need are a picture frame. You can use any size, small, medium, large. You would also need fabric. You would need some kind of glue, glass marker, or any marker that can write on glass. I am using this from Art World. It's alcohol based, and so to wipe this out I would need some kind of rubbing alcohol first before I can wipe it off. Thank you all for watching, and I hope I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.